Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, October 28th, 2020. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today we have Wellness Wednesday, and keeping ourselves well and making good choices, our little image today says, love yourself, be drug-free. So we want to keep our body well, and we want to only choose things that are good for our body and not harmful. So love yourself by making good choices and be drug-free. Today for breakfast we have Pop-Tart, string cheese, fruit juice, and milk. And tomorrow for lunch we have corn dog, carrots, fruit juice, or milk. And tomorrow on Thursday our breakfast is a sausage biscuit, jelly or jam, fruit juice, or milk. For lunch we have barbecue fajita on bun, baked beans, fruit juice, and milk. We have several birthdays today. We have Anne-Marie Thomas, Ayanna Thomas, Shavis Sanders, and Ayrton Adams. Happy birthday! Today's announcements. Thursday will be the last day to submit forms for the Shepherd Supporter of the Month. The nomination forms are now located in the teacher workroom, and you can ask your teacher to pick one up for you today. A couple of reminders for the teachers. Students should only be in the hallways when moving to and from the restroom or PE. There should be no students running errands or seeking assistance. Please call the staff member that you are needing. If a student must visit the nurse, please remember to call her first. After morning announcements, please place any library books that are ready to be turned in a basket outside of your door. Miss Smith will pick them up.
Hello, boys and girls. This is Camila Loza, your Red Ribbon leader from Ms. Barnes' 5th grade class. Please watch and listen to this short message about choosing to be drug-free.
Once upon a time, there was a young boy named Timothy. Timothy was a very good straight-A student who never got in trouble, but he definitely wasn't very good about making decisions. He would stand hours at the ice cream truck trying to decide what flavor. He never could choose what to wear. He still couldn't decide if he wanted a dog or a cat for his birthday. And he certainly didn't know how to answer this question. Do you want to be drug-free? He thought long and hard about this and watched a lot of his friends try drugs, and every one of them thought they were cooler because of it. Timothy knew drugs could mess with your mind, and that was why his friends were failing their classes, but he still didn't know what to do. Timothy had many different dreams and knew that he could never achieve any of them without being drug-free. He could never focus enough to be a great soccer player, or to be a skateboard champion, or even to graduate from Harvard. So instead of giving in to peer pressure, he decided to help his friends realize that you don't need drugs to have fun or to be cool. And soon, his friends began to realize the same thing. Henry discovered his passion was football. Jessica fell in love with ballet. Jack found that science was his specialty. Lily's art will one day amaze millions. And Timothy, well, he decided to follow all of his dreams. Who says you can't be a soccer star, a skateboard champion, and a Harvard scholar? And so, you can see why it's very important to stay drug-free. Being drug-free is more than just 2 words. It can make or break your future, and I know I'm not going to let it break mine.
Tomorrow, boys and girls, we are teaming up against drugs. So you may wear your favorite sports team shirt as we continue celebrating Red Ribbon Week.
As we continue to celebrate Red Ribbon Week, you are invited to participate in a few more days of activities. Remember the school dress code as you celebrate choosing to be drug-free. So today, Wednesday, we are too bright for drugs. We're wearing a neon bright shirt with our uniform pants. Tomorrow on Thursday, we can team up against drugs. We'll wear our favorite sports team shirt with uniform pants. And on Friday, we're going to say boo to drugs. You can wear an orange or black shirt with uniform pants. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Kate Shepherd.